In the vast grasslands of Africa, a little lion named Leo was born. From the moment he opened his curious eyes, it was clear that he possessed a special spirit. Though small and fragile, Leo had a heart full of courage and a determination to prove himself to his pride. As Leo grew older, he observed the majestic lions of his pride as they embarked on hunts and defended their territory. He longed to join them, but his size and inexperience held him back. The older lions often dismissed him, believing he was too small to contribute to the pride's survival. One day, as Leo wandered on his own, he stumbled upon a wise old elephant named Kofi. Kofi recognized the spark in Leo's eyes and saw the potential within him. He offered Leo guidance, teaching him about the strength and resilience that lay within his tiny frame. Embracing Kofi's wisdom, Leo dedicated himself to honing his skills. He practiced his hunting techniques, leaping and pouncing with determination. He trained his roar, mustering all his courage to let out a mighty sound that resonated through the savanna. News of Leo's determination and fierce spirit spread throughout the animal kingdom. Animals of all sizes and species were inspired by his tenacity and rallied behind him. Together, they formed an alliance, each creature bringing their unique abilities to support Leo's quest to prove himself. With his newfound companions, Leo faced numerous challenges. He encountered swift cheetahs who tested his speed, wise owls who challenged his knowledge, and powerful elephants who put his strength to the test. Through each trial, Leo persevered, learning valuable lessons and growing stronger with each passing day. Word of Leo's trials and triumphs reached the lion pride. Intrigued by the rumors, the older lions decided to witness Leo's journey firsthand. When they saw the little lion commanding the respect and admiration of animals from all corners of the savanna, they were in awe. The pride's leader, the wise and noble Simba, called for a gathering. He praised Leo for his bravery, acknowledging that true strength came from within, regardless of size. Leo was welcomed into the pride, his courage and determination earning him the respect of his fellow lions. From that day forward, Leo's impact on the pride was profound. He brought a new perspective and a sense of unity. With his guidance, the pride flourished, hunting together and defending their territory with unwavering strength. Leo's journey had taught him not only the importance of self-belief, but also the power of unity and the value of embracing diversity. He became a symbol of inspiration, reminding others that size and appearance should never be barriers to one's potential. As the sun set over the African savanna, Leo stood tall among his fellow lions, a testament to the extraordinary things that could be achieved by a little lion with a heart full of courage and a spirit that refused to be confined.